Right now, our neighbor is gonna take us to a hot springs in Hawaii. So he rented this van, Bro, and we're going. It's about 2 hours away. So, xin chào. Bro, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Sim, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Tang, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay.
Oh, bro, Dave.
Happy.
Hey.
Jen?
Mẹ ơi. Dạ. Ô, đau. Thế luôn. Rồi xong luôn.
Quét thử.
Đẹp lắm mẹ ơi.
Thôi đưa cho Richie lại đi.
Hi, bro.
Hai.
Where are we? Where? Bento?
Dạ.
Yeah? Bro.
Này đôi chim cho ăn căng rồi tái từ từ tái nha.
Bro. Who?
Dạ.
Jack?
Hello, Jack.
Hello, Jack. Jack couldn't come today, but now he's here. That's gonna be lunch.
Ribs, shrimp, and chicken wings. Wow.
Nã là cố được không thể mất bò được cái mực nữa.
We just went swimming for a while. Steam. Okay. And now they're cooking food, so we're gonna eat lunch. Then we'll probably go swimming again. I really wish I had like a GoPro or something to show you how nice it is, but we went. But this place is freaking amazing. Okay, good. Rose learning how to swim. Wow. Cooked tongue. He's cooking pork. Wow. Processed pork. That's chicken. I'm not sure what that is. But we're gonna feast.
I'll be okay. Oh yeah. I got it. Wow. Ribs, Richie.
Yeah, I know. That looks so good. Master Chef. Okay?
Okay?
Okay. A feast. We just took like a 5-minute walk. There's a huge waterfall here. Wow.
đâu mộng mơ để rồi chia ly từ